Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Botim using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Botim app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on the All option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Payment or Wallet. Here you can see your available balance. Next, tap on Withdraw or Transfer. From the option, choose Withdraw to Bank or to Bank account. If this is your first time, you need to add the bank account details. Enter the bank name, account holder name, account number, and branch details carefully. Double check everything to avoid mistakes. After adding your bank details, tap on Continue. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure the amount is within the available balance. You may see a small withdrawal fee, so check the final amount before confirming. Next, tap on Confirm or Withdraw. For security, Botim may ask you to enter your PIN or use Face ID. Once done, you will see a withdrawal successful message on the screen. Money will be sent to your bank account. Usually it takes a few minutes to a few hours, but sometimes it may take up to 1 working day depending on the bank. And that's it. This is how you withdraw money from Botim on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.